BLACKPINK in your area.
Hey guys, what is up? It is me again, Reason. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna try and recreate Rosé's makeup look from BLACKPINK because I find her really pretty. And welcome to Vlogmas! It's finally December. I hope you guys like my Vlogmas intro. And please don't forget to follow me on all my social media accounts. If you guys want to know how I achieved this look, then just keep on watching. Let's start. So I'm done prepping my skin. Now let's move on to the base. So first I'm gonna use this one. Also this is my reference for the makeup. I'm gonna pop it somewhere here. And so that is why I'm wearing a lace top, because yan yung reference ko. So I'm gonna try my best and copy that look. I hope it turns out okay. So I'm gonna use this one. This is the MAC Strobe Cream in the shade Pink Light. So this is really nice, and I've been using this for a while. And Rosé's makeup is kind of like a pink orangey look. So this is like a moisturizer and a highlighter in one, and this hydrates my face, and it's like a highlighter for your whole face. Obviously it's like a light pink cream, so I'm just gonna put that over my face. Okay, so her makeup is kind of like a rosy pinkish glow. So this is the Marc Jacobs Supercharged Foundation in the shade number 26. And then if you want to add more strobe cream, you can add more. In this case, I want to add more. So, and then this is the concoction. I'm gonna get a beauty blender, of course. First day of Vlogmas, wow. So I'm just gonna wet my beauty blender with this one because I'm too lazy to stand up and go there sa CR. I super love this strobe cream. Like, medyo pinkish lang siya. I mean, hindi siya super pink. Just the right amount of pink to put on your face. And well, Rosé's look is actually like that. Like, medyo pink, orange, fresh, glowy look lang. So, that's why I decided to use this one. Hopefully, I make it to day 25. Okay, okay, once we're done with foundation, I'm gonna move on to concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade, I think this is in the shade Sand. So I'm gonna conceal my under eyes. I actually like her look. It's very simple. Conceal my pimple. Can't believe it's finally December. Sobrang bilis ng oras, guys. Kakaloka. I tried to do Vlogmas last year and I failed epically, which is sad. So hopefully this year magawa ko siya. Okay, after concealer and foundation, I'm gonna finish this look with the Innisfree cushion. I'm not really sure if I like this, but since we're doing a Korean idol look, I figured try ko ulit, baka okay naman siya. So I'm just gonna finish it off with this one. Rosé is very white. I don't know who's whiter, me or her, but I think she is whiter than me. Oh, if you guys don't know yet, Innisfree finally opened here in the Philippines. They have a store in MOA. It's their first one here in the Philippines. I haven't visited it myself, but if you guys are a fan of Innisfree, like their makeup and their skincare, they have a store in SM MOA now, so check it out if you guys want. Okay, so after that, I move on to the bronzer. So this is what I'm gonna use. This is the Essence Sun Club Matte Bronzing Powder. So it's in the shade 1 Natural. Very subtle. Like, it's not too heavy. I actually decided to like try and copy her makeup look because I got a few comments of people saying that I look like her. I mean, I don't look like her. Like, we kind of look similar. And I think it's because of our like jaw, because mine's very long and hers is also very long. So embrace the chin. And then I'm gonna add some bronzer on my cheekbones. Okay, after bronzer, we are gonna move on to the brows. Rosé's hair is like very light, so of course her brows are gonna be light as well. But my eyebrows are black, but I'm gonna try and make it as light as possible. I'm gonna use a shade from the eyeshadow palette instead. I'm gonna use this one. So I'm mixing this one and this one. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I'm mixing two like orangey beige colors. Oh, there, I think this is better. Okay, so I think that these are the lightest my dark eyebrows can go. So let's move on to the eyes. So I think I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna start on the inner corner and blend outwards. We're really just going for like a simple look, like a very soft girly look, because that's how she always looks. So I used the Jaclyn Hill palette Morphe that I got from Divisoria. So yeah. Okay, for the second color, I think I'm gonna use this shade and this shade to make my eyes pop more. To remove that orangey look, I'm gonna add this one. This is the BLK Cosmetics Intense Color Powder Blush in the shade Pinch. I'm gonna start on the middle, and then I'm gonna go back to the Morphe palette, and I'm gonna top this over my eyelids and on the lower corner. So I'm gonna put this on the lower lid as well. I think that is like her signature look, like the red under eye. And then I'm gonna use this shade again for the inner lower lid. And then I'm just gonna clean this up with this one. This is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Diffuse Light. So I'm just gonna clean my eyes up with this one. Okay, so that is it for the eyes. Basically, I just used pink and orange shades for my eyelids. I also added a little bit of Primavera, and then I'm gonna get some more of Primavera again and put that on the lower lash line. Okay, I feel like my eyelids lack glitter, so I'm gonna use this BLK Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow in the shade Cute. So it's kind of like orangey. I'm gonna just put this maybe here and here. Okay, no, that's better. I'm gonna move on to eyeliner. So Rosé's very fond of eyeliner, so I'm gonna use this one. This is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner. So Rosé's eyeliner is like kind of a cat eye, but it's kind of straight. So I'm gonna try and do that. Okay, done with eyes. Mascara. So I'm gonna use this Shuamura eyelash curler, and I'm gonna use this one. This is the Better Than Sex Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. So okay, let's move on to the blush. So I'm gonna use the BLK Cosmetics again. It's the same one I use on my eyelids. So this is in the shade Pinched again. So I'm just gonna get some and put that over my cheek. Okay, I think that is enough. And then I'm gonna move on to highlighter. And for highlighter, I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter, which is the Essence Pure Nude highlighter. I'm gonna use in the shade Be My Highlight. So I'm gonna use this one because the color sits really well on the skin. It's like an invisible highlighter. The glow is very subtle. So pop some on my nose and then on cheekbones. Okay, I think that is enough highlighting. So moving on to the lips. This is the L'Oreal Color Rich Matte 232 in Beige Couture. Just gonna put some lipstick on. So it's kind of like a very natural pinkish. Okay, after that lipstick, I'm gonna top that off with the BLK Cosmetics All Day Chicken Lip Tint in the shade Sangria, and like put this on the inner corner of my lips. So L'Oreal lipstick on the outside, BLK tint on the inside. So, and then to finish that off, I'm gonna top it over with a lip gloss. Okay, done with the lips. And again, to finish this look, I'm gonna use the Hourglass powder again. I'm just gonna brush like all over my face. This one. So, and then I'm just gonna set that with the MAC Fix Plus. So okay, I guess the makeup is done, but we're not that done yet. I'm gonna get something in a minute. So this is the final look. So that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much again for watching. I don't know if I did a good job or did an okay job, but I tried my best, and I hope you guys like this video. This is my first like video for Vlogmas, so this is gonna be Vlogmas day 3. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really tried my best, and if you did, please hit the like button down here somewhere, and please don't forget to leave a comment, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.